If I were to ask you what is the name of your second paper in your CA Foundation syllabus, your prompt, your immediate reply would be, sir, it's business laws. And if you are also in that league, please type business laws in the comments so that I can get to know that you think on the same lines. But unfortunately, that's not the right answer. The right answer is the name of the paper is business laws and business correspondence and reporting. Yes guys, the paper is divided into two parts. All of us know, but then we forget it because the second part, which is business correspondence and reporting, usually stays in the back burner. It is ignored and we try to do preparation at the very last moment. Another interesting fact, one of the most difficult part of CA Foundation felt by majority of the student is the business law paper. Majority of you find it difficult to learn various provisions and retain it and reproduce on the paper, but still we tend to ignore the second part, the weightage of which is 40 marks, right? We try to shift it to the very last moment and we are not able to do a proper performance. Another interesting fact, of the students who fail at the CA Foundation level, majority of them fail in business law, or either they score very poor mark in business laws. So if you are in one of those categories, this video will bring a big turnaround to your performance in this paper. Right guys, here our mission is to score 30 plus marks in your business correspondence and reporting paper. Now the big question, sir, how? It's a 40 marks paper. If you score 30 out of 40, you can easily pass this paper, sail through, or even score great marks in this paper where other would struggle to even pass or cross the passing line. So what is our approach? How we'll do it? It's a big announcement, guys. I am announcing 100% online live exclusive batch for business correspondence and reporting, right? We will do a live face-to-face session and we'll cover all the topics of business correspondence and reporting with you. So let me discuss the approach. It will be 100% live face-to-face online classes. Sir, what if we miss a particular live session? A video backup will be provided to you on the same day itself, and this video for the entire session will remain with you for a period of 1 month, so that if you want to revise it, re-go through it, you can do it anytime you want. We will cover complete syllabus. We'll cover up all the chapters. The classes will be really practical oriented because the paper itself is practical oriented. If you look at some of the topics, formal letters, then resume, email writing, then there is report writing, article, there is minutes of the meeting. All these are things which normally a professional does on a regular basis, and if that approach is made available to you, taught to you in true sense, you would be able to do that paper really well, and it will become interesting and meaningful as well. We'll do loads of practice in the class itself on all the topics, which will help you immensely ramp on your performance in the exam. There will be lots of assignments, and I will evaluate your responses as well and provide you a proper feedback so that you can do really well in the exams. And the most important thing is the mock test. We'll take couple of mock tests as well so that you can look at the time management aspect. We can give you feedback on your performance, which will significantly help to improve your performance in the exam. And I'm sure with this approach you can definitely score 30 plus marks. It's very easy. Now what will be the course schedule? The batch, the online live batch will start on 1st of September. The class timings will be 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. There will be approximately 12 sessions of 3 hours each, which totals up 35-36 hours in total. We will provide you an ebook. That will be the book which we'll use in the class for doing various practical assignments, and we'll also provide you formats of various chapters, because you see most of the topic like formal letters, email, resume, minutes of the meeting, report, article are format based topic, and these format will really help you for the last minute revision. You can quickly go through it and ensure that all the formats you remember just before the exam. Now let's come to the fee part of it. It has been really charged economically, right? The fees is really nominal as compared to the content and the value add it will bring to you. It's a 40 mark out of 100 mark that we'll cover up in the classes. The fees is only 9.99, which comes to mere 83 rupees per class. If you want to know more about it, you can call us, you can WhatsApp us, you can write an email on the number contacts given in the presentation as well as in the description box. How to enroll? You can enroll for this batches online, right? So the enrollment can also be done online. You need to download Jayesh Phoput's Classes app from the Play Store. On the app, go to the stores section or the stores tab and just search BCR online live batch. You can make an online payment and get yourself enrolled there and there. It's a big opportunity for you guys. And now the icing on the cake, special, very special bonus for all you lovely students who enroll for this BCR exclusive batch. I will give you free 1 month access to my law case study question and answer sessions. It covers more than 100 Q&As on various case laws relating to all the chapters in your syllabus, and we'll also provide you a handbook and ebook compilation of all these case laws which covers all your chapters in your syllabus. So it's a big bonus for you. Now, being successful, it is not an accident. Success is a decision which each of us have to make. Success is not a gift. Success is a planned effort, right? It's a result of a planned effort. So now the ball is in your court. You need to decide and you need to be responsible for your success. See you guys in the live sessions. We'll have loads of fun and some great learning. Thank you guys and see you.